Unpack, set up, and install the HP SmartTank series printer. Remove all supplies and documentation from the box. Provided in the documentation are the setup and repacking guides. The setup guide walks you through setting up the hardware of your printer, similar to this video. Reference the repacking guide when transporting the printer to a different location. HP recommends keeping all original packaging for transporting the printer. Set the box on its side and then use the two handles to pull the printer out of the box. Remove the styrofoam end caps and plastic bag from around the printer. Remove all blue tape from the rear and front of the printer. Lift the scanner lid, remove the protective sheet, and then close the lid. Open the front door, and then remove the blue tape and cardboard restraint. Open the printhead access door, remove the tape and cardboard, and then set the cardboard and tape aside to use when transporting the printer. Close both doors. Plug in the printer and then press the power button. The printer might take up to 5 minutes to initialize. On models with a touchscreen control panel, select your language and then touch Confirm. Select your country or region and then set the date and time. When prompted on the control panel, fill the ink tanks. Remove the black ink bottle from its packaging. The printer might ship with a flip-top bottle or a screw-top bottle. On flip-top bottles, unscrew the cap, remove and discard the seal, and then screw the cap back on. Open the front door, and on the black ink tank, squeeze and flip open the cap. Flip open the black ink bottle cap, or if you have a screw-top bottle, unscrew the cap. Turn the bottle upside down, and then set it on the ink tank spout. Without squeezing, allow the bottle to fill the ink tank. Remove and discard the empty bottle, and then close the black ink tank cap. Repeat the filling process for yellow, magenta, and cyan, using all ink in each bottle. On non-touchscreen models, close and then reopen the front door. Open the printhead access door. Wait until the carriage is in the center and silent, and then locate the handle of the orange plastic support. Rotate the handle clockwise to disengage it. Push down on the blue latch, and then remove and discard the orange plastic support. Remove the tricolor printhead from its package. Remove the orange plug, and then pull the tab to remove the plastic tape. Avoid touching the contacts or ink nozzles. Touching these can result in clogs, ink failure, and bad electrical connections. Hold the tricolor printhead by its sides, and then slide it into the left slot until it snaps into place. Repeat this process to install the black printhead in the right slot. Push down the blue latch to close it. Close the printhead access door, and then the front door. Lift the input tray, and then slide the paper guide to its outermost position. Load plain white paper into the input tray, and then adjust the guide so it is touching the paper. On touchscreen models, touch OK. On non-touchscreen models, an A displays on the control panel and an alignment page prints. Lift the scanner lid. Place the alignment page print side down in the left top corner of the scanner glass, and then close the lid. Touch Scan, or press the Start Black Copy button to align the printer. On touchscreen models, an alignment successful message displays. Touch OK. Remove and recycle the alignment page. Finish setting up your SmartTank printer by visiting 123.hp.com on your mobile device or computer.